Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive deep into one of the most interesting and valuable coins in recent American history, the 1998 quarter dollar, in very fine condition. You might think of it as just another coin that comes from a time of general circulation, but as we'll explore in this video, it carries with it a fascinating history, unique set of characteristics and surprisingly significant value for collectors. The United States quarter dollar has long been one of the most iconic coins in American currency, with its unique designs and changing appearances. Over the years it has captured the attention of coin collectors and enthusiasts alike. One of the years that stands out in this history is 1998. At first glance, a 1998 quarter might seem like just a typical circulating coin. However, when you look at it through the lens of numismatic history, you'll start to see why it's a coin worth paying attention to, especially if it's in very fine condition. So what exactly does very fine condition mean? In the world of coin grading, a coin's condition can drastically impact its value. Coins are graded based on their physical state, and the very fine grade indicates a coin that has been well preserved but may show some light wear from circulation. Specifically, a coin in very fine condition has sharp details with only slight wear on the high points of the design, which helps collectors gauge its rarity and desirability. This is important for understanding why certain coins from the 1990s, such as the 1998 quarter, can be worth far more than their face value when they are in excellent condition. Now, let's talk about the value aspect. The 1998 quarter dollar, when in very fine condition, can sometimes be worth anywhere from $1 to $3, or potentially even more, depending on where it's being sold and the specific market at the time. The coin, like most modern quarters, was minted as part of the state quarters program. Each state in the US had its own unique quarter, showcasing its heritage, landmarks and symbols. This quarter, in particular, is part of that series, but it doesn't have a unique design of its own. What makes it valuable is its age condition and the interest of collectors who seek out quarters from specific years and of particular mintages. Another factor that adds to the value of the 1998 quarter dollar is the overall rarity of coins from that time. Although millions of these quarters were struck at the US Mint, only a small percentage have remained in very fine condition. Coins that have been preserved well over time without being too worn or damaged are rarer, and therefore more desirable to collectors. When you find a 1998 quarter in great shape, it's a sign of its age and rarity, making it a potential treasure for anyone looking to enhance their collection. Collectors also tend to look at factors like the mint mark, which
can tell us where a coin was produced. For the 1998 quarter, it was struck at the Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco mints. The mint mark can give insight into the coin's rarity and production numbers. Coins with lower mintage numbers from specific mints are generally more sought after. For example, quarters produced at the San Francisco Mint, especially those that were issued as proof coins or have special characteristics, can be far more valuable than those from other mints. However, beyond the mint mark and physical condition, there's also the market dynamic that impacts coin values. Coin collectors, investors, and enthusiasts create a demand for certain pieces, and if there's a surge of interest in a particular year or minting, prices can rise accordingly. It's important to understand that coin values fluctuate based on market trends, collector interest, and even factors like scarcity or historical significance. This means that while the 1998 quarter in very fine condition might be worth a modest amount today, it could be worth much more down the road as the numismatic market evolves. Additionally, there's always the possibility of finding a 1998 quarter with a unique error or misstrike. Coins with minting errors can be incredibly valuable because they are so rare. If you come across a 1998 quarter that has some sort of distinctive anomaly, such as a double die or a striking flaw, it could substantially increase its worth, potentially skyrocketing from just a few dollars 200s, or even thousands of dollars, depending on the era's significance. Let's not forget about the broader context of coin collecting and the importance of understanding the history behind the coin. The 1998 quarter, part of the late 1990s era, represents a unique moment in U.S. coinage history. It's a reminder of a time when the U.S. Mint was focused on commemorating states, and it's fascinating to look back and reflect on how these designs encapsulated the values, landscapes, and symbols of each state. Coin collectors are not only investing in currency, but also in history. Owning a 1998 quarter is like holding a tiny piece of that historical period encapsulated in metal. In summary, while a 1998 quarter dollar in very fine condition might seem like a simple coin at first glance, it's actually a valuable collector's item that tells the story of its time. The coin's relatively low mintage, the interest from collectors, and the fact that it's part of the state quarters program all contribute to its appeal. Whether you're an experienced numismatist or just starting out, finding a 1998 quarter in very fine condition is a moment worth celebrating. Keep your eyes peeled when you're searching through your spare change, because you might just come across a hidden gem. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. We hope you now have a better understanding of why the 1998 quarter dollar, in very fine condition, can be such a prized find. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow coin collectors, and subscribe for more interesting content about coin collecting, history, and more. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with this particular coin, so leave a comment below and let us know if you've found any hidden treasures in your own collection. Happy collecting, and we'll see you in the next video.